Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, in the previous two videos we have seen the question and answer of flying together. Okay, so this lesson question and answer we have been dealing now. Okay, and already we have made two videos. So now in this video what we are going to see is the rest of the question and answer which we have left. Okay, and in this video we will be completing this question and answer given on this textbook, okay, based on the lesson flying together. So let us see the question and answer here. We'll start with the question and answer, and here we had come, okay, and here we have reached. In the previous video we have completed this one. We have completed this one, and this is taken from which activity? Let us write. Okay, so let us see. Let us write का चौथा नंबर क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे इस वीडियो में. So what it says, let us complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. Here are the words. Okay, these are also our prepositions. So these preposition or these words we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, appropriate words will take and we'll fill in the blanks. Okay, so here this is what one of the story is mentioned here. Okay, this is one of the story, and in between some of the words are missing. Okay, so now we will try to fill in the blanks. Okay, now so let us start. One day as I was walking walking along the bank of the river, I saw my friend running across the field. एक दिन क्या हुआ, मैं जब रिवर के किनारे में चल रहा था तब मैंने देखा कि मेरा फ्रेंड मेरे तरफ भाग के आ रहा है, दौड़ कर आ रहा है. Then he was calling my name and waving to me. Okay, I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. Okay, now what happens here? He was calling his name. He was calling my name, and he was waving to me. And I saw him, and I stopped there for some time. Okay, I waited him. Then after some time he came where I was standing. Okay, then he said, I went all around, and the friend is saying, I went all around the town looking for you. I have some exciting news to share with you. Okay, with you. Then he says that I went all over the town. I am going everywhere and searching for you, but I did not find out you. Okay, I did not get you. Because I have a exciting news. I have a wonderful news to tell you. What is that news? Let us see. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Guess who is moving into that house? Okay. Then do you remember the tree? Do you remember the house which is next to neem tree? The house which is next to neem tree. And can you tell me or can you guess who is moving inside the house? वो घर के अंदर कौन है, कौन घूम रहा है, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं? Then Janak Das, okay, the great magician, okay, one who is moving inside the house is Janak Das, one of the greatest magician, Jadugar. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks from him. And he says, the friend says that now the magician is there, he has come, and we can learn so many magic tricks. Okay, so my dear students, here I have filled in the blanks. I know, and you have to just trace where moving into, why is into, अंदर है, okay, and trick from, मतलब किसी से, from, okay, then and other things are there here. Along means कहाँ पे वो, along the bank of the river. Then across the field means the fields are there, and through that field, crossing those fields is coming towards me, and waving to. Then here, for after sometimes, कुछ समय के बाद, after means after sometimes, here it is sometimes, therefore. Then around the town, all over the town, पूरा चारों तरफ पूरा share with, okay, share with. Then house next to the neem tree. Next to means ये house यहाँ पे neem tree यहाँ पे है, और वही neem tree के बाजू में जो घर है वो है यहाँ पे. Next to means just next to that house, or sorry, that tree. Then moving into inside, and then from किसी और से, मतलब किससे सीखेंगे, वो जादूगर से सीखेंगे अभी जादू करने का ट्रिक या फिर मैजिक. Okay, then let us see the question number 5. This is also very nice and this is also very easy for you, and we have been dealing with the questions, okay, in this lesson. Mostly this lesson question and answer is based on the question answer. Okay, कैसे हमको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करना चाहिए, कैसे हमको क्वेश्चन बनाने होते, कौन सी टेंस में, कौन सी टेंस में क्वेश्चन बनाने होते हैं, और किस प्रकार का इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन, इंट्रोगेशन वर्ड लाया जाता है और WH वर्ड लाया जाता है, वो सब हम देख रहे हैं इस lesson. Okay, so let us see here also this exercise is also based on that particular thing. Fill in the blanks given below with questions words. Okay, with questions word. We have to take the questions word. Okay, what are the questions word? What, where, when, why, how, who. All these things are question words. Okay, so all those questions words को लेकर हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Fill in करना है. For example, where do you live? Where do you live? What is the question word here? Where is the question word here? And there are many question words are there, as I told you just now. So let us see. Do you play? Here, what can we put? What do you play? Then, get up. This is the time when you get up in the morning. So, when do you get up? Then, next, what do you have for the breakfast? क्या है breakfast के लिए क्या ready है? Is there samosa? Is there vada pav? Or is there something else? Okay, what is there for the breakfast? Then, when do you go to school? When do you go to school? When means what is the time को जब refer करेगा तब हमको क्या इस्तेमाल करना है? When. जब कोई चीज को refer करेगा तब हमको इस्तेमाल करना है क्या? What. Then, do you like best in the school games? Art or music. इन तीनों में से आपको क्या पसंद है? ये भी एक चीज है. These are all things. So we can say here, what do you like? What do you like the best in the school? What? Then birthday. Birthday is a time. So when is your birthday? When is your birthday? Then what do you want for your birthday? What do you want for your birthday? When is your birthday and what do you want for your birthday? Okay. The next question we are going to see here, reference to the context. Reference to the context means who said to whom. Okay, who said to whom here, and that activities we have done in the first standard. In the previous class, you have learned about this one. Who said to whom? So this is what and in which context. कब इसको बोला गया है, किसने बोला गया है और क्यों बोला गया है, वो हम देखेंगे. 3 क्वेश्चन का आंसर हम देखने वाले हैं. ये जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिया गया है या फिर ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट बोलेंगे हम हमारे स्टोरी से लिया गया है. देखो यहाँ पे पहला वाला क्या है? Well, there is no hurry. Well, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Who told this? Who told this sentence? किसने बोला ये सेंटेंस को? किसने? Who told? Who said this? Who said this one? You know. This was said by the geese when the old bird told them to destroy the creeper which was growing at the feet of the tree. Okay, and who said this? Means what you are going to answer here? The geese. Okay, the geese said this one. And then to whom was it said? To whom was it said? किसको बोला गया था ये? किसको? The old wise bird. Okay, the old wise bird को बोला गया था. And when was it said? कब ये बोला गया था? When the geese told this statement, when the geese told like this, when the old wise bird told them to destroy the creeper, that time only this geese replied that, well, there is no hurry and the creeper is very small. It would be pity to destroy it now. Okay, ये बहुत छोटा है, ये तो मामूली से काम है, तो अभी डिस्ट्रॉय करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Then another is there. So this is where the wild geese live. Okay, so this is where the wild geese live. Who had told you? Who had told this sentence? You know, when the hunter went to the forest, he went to the jungle, and as he was walking in the jungle, then he saw one huge tree. And he came to know that, oh, this is where the wild geese live. He was telling, yes or no? And who said this? Who said this? I explain it to you. The hunter. Okay, who said this? The hunter. And to whom was it said? वो किसको बोला? वहां पे तो कोई नहीं था, वो अकेला था. When to whom he said? He said to himself. Okay, he said to himself. And when did he say? And when did he say? When he came to the tree in the forest. When he came to the tree in the forest. As he was wandering in the forest, and when he came to the tree where the geese were living and looking at the tree, he said that, so this is where, okay, the wild geese live. And he planned to trap all the geese. And we know he climbed with the help of that creeper. And finally he spread his net and killed all the geese there. Okay. So now, next question. Fun time. Okay, let us see. Fun time it is. Here, in this category or in this section, we are going to see some of the proverbs. Okay, what is a proverbs and what are they? Okay, that we are going to learn here. Now, proverbs are short, wise saying. अब ये जो proverb जो होता है, proverb क्या होता है? Proverb क्या होता है? जो हम good thought भी बोलते हैं, good thought जो बोलते हैं, वही सारे के सारे क्या होते हैं? Proverbs होते हैं. Okay, so proverbs are short, wise saying. Their words are very simple, but they have a greater meaning. उसके अंदर जो meaning होता है, उसका अंदर जो मतलब होता है, वो अलग सा ही रहता है. And that is very wise. For example, look before you leave. Look before you leave क्या बोलता है? अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि ये जो look before you leave, leave मतलब क्या है? जाम. Look मतलब क्या है? देखना. Okay, before मतलब क्या है? पहले. मतलब जाम करने के पहले हमको देखना चाहिए. इस प्रकार का हम अगर समझेंगे तो हमको ये मतलब आएगा. लेकिन हम उसको सेंटेंस में हम यहाँ पे समझने वाले नहीं है. ये एक हमारा क्या है? प्रोवर्ब है. ये एक गुड थॉट है जो हम बोलेंगे. एक प्रोवर्ब है. इसका मीनिंग कुछ अलग ही है. So let us see what is the meaning of this proverb here. This means that we should think. Okay, we should think carefully before we take any action. कुछ भी एक्शन करने के पहले हमको क्या करना चाहिए? अच्छी तरह से सोचना चाहिए. Then here are some popular English proverbs, and here are some popular English proverbs, and we are going to write this meaning of this English proverbs. Okay, old is gold, as you sow, so shall you reap. Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So these are some of the popular, okay, some of the famous English proverbs. And what we have to do is that here, let us see, read them aloud together and discuss what each could mean. अभी उसको पहले रीडिंग करना है. मैंने तो रीडिंग भी कर दिया आपके लिए. तो अभी उसका मतलब क्या है वो हमको डिस्कस करना है. So let us see what would be the meaning of them. So what are the meaning of these proverbs? Let us see. We'll discuss here now. All is gold. All is gold. What is the meaning here? One who is in my contact from. Okay. One who is in my contact from a long time is more reliable or worthier than others. Okay. To whom we know. Okay. जिसको हम पहले से ही जानते हैं. Okay. बचपन से ही जानते हैं और जिसके साथ हमारा रिश्ता है, हमारा रिलेशन से वो बहुत पहले से ही होता है, तो उसी के ऊपर हम क्या कर सकते हैं? रिलाय कर सकते हैं. रिलाय मींस ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं उसको, और वही एक ट्रस्ट वर्दी पर्सन हो सकता है. ओके, अदर देन द न्यू वन. ओके, जो इसको हम अभी तुरंत ही मतलब 1-2-4 घंटे में उसके साथ मिले, उसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप किए और उसको हम भरोसा कर लेते, वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे जिस आदमी को हम पहले से जानते हैं उसी आदमी से हम भरोसा कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाट world is gold यहाँ पे बोला गया है. Okay, its meanings can be different from different writers and different people. Now, as you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. What may be the meaning of this? Okay, everybody knows the meaning. You will have to bear the consequences, okay, good or bad of your action, okay, as you sow shall you reap, इसको बोला जाता है जैसे करने वैसे धरने जो बोला जाता है, okay. So इस प्रकार का जो है here, whatever you do, the way you behave with others, okay, so whatever consequence comes, good or bad, you must be able to bear that actions, okay. कुछ भी करोगे जैसे करोगे वैसे उसका फल भी आएगा, जैसे करोगे वैसे उसका फल होगा. तो जब आप बुरी तरह से दूसरों को बिहेव करोगे, बुरी तरह से दूसरों को ट्रीट करोगे, तो जब आपको कोई इसी प्रकार का ट्रीट करेगा तो आपको उस समय में क्या सहने का ताकत होना चाहिए, okay. For example, now you can see in this family what happens, the parents do not take care of their parents, okay. For example, your father, okay, I know your fathers and mothers will be taking care of your grandmother. For example, if any family is there, the grandmother is not taken care by his sons, then what will happen? The small children also will look at that. Then what they will do when their father and mother will become old, they will treat as their father and mother were treating to their grandparents. Okay, so that is what, as you behave with the others, so something you have to accept that one. People also will do the same. Then unity is strength. Unity is strength. Okay, if we are together, we will be strong enough to overcome any problem. When we are unity means strength means what is that? जब हम एक साथ रहेंगे, together रहेंगे, तब कोई भी मुसीबत में हम आसानी से क्या झेल सकते हैं, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम का हम आसानी से सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, when we are in unity or we are together, then it is possible. United we stand, divided we fall. If we are together, we win. Okay, united we stand, divided we fall. If we are together, अगर हम एक साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे और अगर हम एक साथ रहेंगे तो हम क्या हो सकते हैं, विन कर सकते हैं, हम जीतेंगे. And if not, we lose. Agar if not, we will lose. For example, we are playing a game, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and all other things, and all the players are there, and some of the players will tell, no, I will not play. मैं अच्छी तरह से नहीं खेलूंगा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया है दूसरे प्लेयर्स के जरिए से. तो इसी में होगा क्या, जीतेंगे क्या मैच? नहीं. अगर सब यहाँ पे आएंगे, हाँ हमको जीतना है, हम अच्छी तरह से खेलेंगे, बोलेंगे तो वो जीत सकते हैं. Okay, that is one simple example I wanted to tell you. Then next, a friend in need is a friend indeed, and everybody knows this is a popular proverb. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend who gives you help when you need is a true friend. ये ऐसे दोस्त होता है जो आपके जरूरत पर मदद करता है, वही एक सच्चा फ्रेंड होता है. Okay, otherwise there are many friends are there in your life, but one friend is a true friend who helps you when you are in need or when you are in trouble. Otherwise, some friends will come to you, okay, when you have money, when you have chocolates with you, when you have Cadbury with you, that time only they will come and tell you, friend, how are you? But when you have problem with you, when you are facing so many difficulties, then that friend will tell, you are not my friend, who are you? So be careful in making friendship. So next question, let us see. Look at this proverb, all is well that ends well. अभी ये जो proverb है, look at this proverb, all is well that ends well. What is it? Discuss what it means. Can you think of events happening in life where this proverb can be used? Okay, so now what is that? All well that ends well. Okay, so these proverbs, what you are going to do is that, here is your homework. You have to discuss about that. You have to think about that. We cannot discuss here in the class now. But you have to think about that. What does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या हो सकता है? और इस प्रकार का कोई घटना है, इस प्रकार का कोई इवेंट है जिसके साथ हम उसको रिलेट कर सकेंगे, जिसके साथ उसको हम अप्लाई कर सकेंगे. Okay, that is what you have to do. Write down your story or the events. Then read the paragraph to your neighbor. Then after that, if there any event that we can relate to this proverb, then that one what we have to do, we have to write that one and we have to tell our neighbors, okay, or we have to tell our friends. Then here one activity is there, last question of this lesson, the clap word game, and this is what the clap word game. We have to do the activity. So how we have to do the activity? Let us see. I will tell you and you can practice at home reading this word. Okay, whenever you read this word, and with that word we are going to do this activity, clapping our hands. Okay, so when the word produces one sound, clap once. जब भी कोई भी वर्ड ओके एक ही साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेगा, एक ही सिलेबल प्रोड्यूस करेगा, तब हमको एक क्लैप देना है. ओके, जैसे कि क्या है यहाँ पे क्रीप. ओके, क्रीप ओनली वन वर्ड इज देयर. ओके, क्रीप ओनली वन वर्ड इज देयर, मतलब वन सिलेबल है वहां पे क्रीप. तो हमको क्या करना है, वन क्लैप करना है. ओके, ओनली वन सिंगल क्लैप वी हैव टू गिव. ओके, एंड clap twice if the word can be broken up into two syllables as in creeper. Okay, so creep में क्या है, one syllable है. Okay, या फिर one word single है creep. Okay, तो वहां पे हमको one clap करना है. अगर यही word को वहां पे कुछ syllable ऐड करके या फिर कुछ शब्द ऐड करके, कुछ letters ऐड करके हम अगर उसको दो ड्रॉप कर सकेंगे या फिर उसको इस प्रकार के डिवाइड कर सकेंगे, तो उसको क्या करना है, डबल ताली मारना है. जैसे कि creeper. Okay, creeper means creep means one, and when we say creeper means two claps you have to give. Then and thrice as in. Okay, and when you have to clap thrice as in, if it is it can be divided into three syllables. जब इसको हम डिवाइड कर पाएंगे, यहाँ पे क्या है, in two syllable we can divide it this one, and if any two syllable मतलब क्या है, दो बार तालियां देना है. And if we can divide any word in three syllables, then we have to clap how many times? Twice. Okay. For example, creeper. How many times you have to clap? For example, I read creeper. Then you have to clap twice. Then struggle. Okay. Struggle and gull. Here also we can divide this. So we can make it two syllables. So here also you have to clap twice. Then two more row. Here three syllable can be made. Okay. So you have to clap thrice. Two more rows. So 1, 2, 3. Then geese, one clap, geese, one clap, frog, one clap, foolish, okay, foolish, two clap, okay, then possible, three claps you have to give, possible, noticed, double, then carefully, how many times you have to clap? 3 times you have to clap. Then flat, single, then return, okay, return, twice. Then evening, okay, evening, twice. Then clapped, one, surprise, surprise, twice. Okay, so like that you have to clap. For when I say creeper, you have to give double. Then when I say struggle, two syllable is there, two talia, and tomorrow 1, 2, 3, and then this single, and throw one, and foolish 2, and then possible 2, and then noticed 2, and then carefully 1, 2, 3. So like that you have to do this activity. Okay, so my dear students, here we end the question and answer of this lesson, flying together with this activity. In your home, what you will do is that you will just words and clap, and again tell these words and clap, and do that activity at home. Okay, so here we end our lesson and the question and answer, and in the next video we shall see the question and answer from the workbook.